Hey everyone, welcome to this special section. In this section, we're going to talk about if and else statements, which are one of the most important aspects of programming generally. And this is how you create an actual program that does something based on what you enter and based on information that you receive. It's an incredibly important concept in programming, in any programming language, and in Python as well. And we're going to talk about it in this section. In this section, we're going to talk about, as I said, if and else statements, which are incredibly important. We're going to talk about logical operators. We're going to talk about nested statements and a lot of advanced things that you can do to actually create advanced programs. And more importantly, we're going to have a lot of exercises because this is a very complicated section, and I want to make sure that by the time you come out of this, you understand every single aspect of it and you're just ready to move on with more advanced topics. So it's a very important one, guys. I want you to make sure that you pay attention, you do every single exercise, and try to do it by yourself first. It's really important. And by the end of it, you're going to be able to make a program like this. Check this out. This is a game I created. And basically the idea with this is that it's going to ask you a few questions like a interesting, exciting game. And basically after this, it's going to ask you again, this is like alien world game that I created. And it's going to say your mission is find an ancient weapon to free the earth from alien invasion. You are inside a destroyed alien ship looking for clues. You're in a hallway within the ship. Where would you go, left or right? So I'm just going to say left, for example, and it says you are in a weapons room. You can climb the structure inside or wait for it to fall, and we're going to say climb or wait. How about that? And it's gonna say your patience paid off. A box of weapons fell right in front of you. There are 3 of them, red, gray, and black. Which one you choose? I'm gonna choose red. And it says it's a self-destructing weapon. You died, game over. So you can make some really fun stuff with this, and that's what we're gonna explore in this section. It's really exciting, and you can create some really interesting stuff. So make sure you pay attention. A lot of details, a lot of might be some confusing stuff here. So you want to make sure that you take notes, do everything with me, and more importantly, ask me if you have any questions. Just contact me and let me know. All right. So thank you so much, guys. Let's get it started.